Hello all, the Astro 30 here. Why am I even speaking like that? Anyway, just want to give a quick message to everyone on this channel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for 2023. I'm going to go on a little bit of a hiatus until mid-January. I'm not going to upload much content in that time. I'm going to have a bit of a break from this. But be rest assured that I'm going to upload content in 2023. Moving forward, this channel is going great. I'm happy for everyone that's subscribed. Yeah, I need more subscribers though. So if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, everyone have a Merry Syphilis and a Happy Gonorrhea. Wait, what? No, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in the new year, guys. Thanks. Why can't I do a simple video? I'm too pissed. That's why.